Make the viral mapo tofu udon with me. I saw this recipe and I immediately have to try it. This is a very important sauce. Chili crisp, MSG. The next step of the recipe is to blend silken tofu, half tablespoon of peanut butter. This is the bowl that we're using for today and it is super gorgeous. Let's assemble. So I have some udon noodles. This was the best that I could do, but honestly this was the most difficult part of this recipe. Adding in the meat and some cucumbers, of course some microgreens, watermelon radish. It looks so pretty, guys. Let me show you. Let's eat, guys. Wow, gorgeous. Yes, guys.